inhliziyo yami thatha nantu uthando ngolwakho thatha nansi inhliziyo yami uzuyiphathe njengeqanda Angenzi ngabo Kuthi ngiyasithandela la kuwe Angenzi ngabo Kuthi ngiyasithandela la kuwe Ndani yamanzi Wena ngifuna ukukuqulela amagugu Wena wangilinde emlanjeni nangesikhathi mafika izolo emtholo wakhe Wena walindela mina ngoba ngikutshelile ukuthi uligugu kimi ndoniya manje ndoniya manje let's get on hold on each other let's unite and breathe one air let I be you and you be I let us be bonded with strong chains of love chains which will never be broken ndoniya manje let's make the true love. Ndoniya manje wena ngifuna ukukuqulela amagugu wena wangilinde emlanjeni mina ngenyanya ukuvela ngedwa ingakho ngibabize bonke ngathi abaphelele bazongibonisa lena ngelozi enokuhle iphelele baphelele ngiguqa ngedolo ngivuka ngiphelele lapho umfula ubhoza inyoni zinjuliza ilanga nendalo namazulu ebukile ngobe ngisho ngikucela ndoniya from the ground and from the crowd you were the one I've seen it first it was your nature of beauty I've seen it first your smile took me as if you brought me kisses and in peace I accepted my heart felt peace love respect humility and humbleness that's what made my soul to raise over, to give more now, deep from my heart, as it was pounding to its last limits, such that uncontrollably I ended asking for love, because my soul, my heart, and every single piece of me is thirsty for love. Bheka namhlanje ngoba ngilalele lona phela ijaji ingigweba ngadilika jele ngimgweba ngadzilika lijele emzimba ngimshiya umama nobaba ngiboshwa enhlizweni yakho njengoba ngikunika konke nginako ngisho nothando lwami bheka kobe kwehle inyembezi ziyohloka kobe kusenjabulo ngikha elisha enyakulo elenjabulo ngako ke asambe bambo lwami thando lwami endleleni yokuphila ngebuqotho kwethembana luthando lohlala lukhona ndoniya manje